Hey there, welcome back. I'm Mark, and today I have a cool tutorial for you. It's how to draw Marshmello Skin from the game Fortnite. Grab yourself a Sharpie and a sheet of white paper. And to begin, we're going to draw the head part, and it's going to be this big box shape. So we're going to come down and draw, and these lines can be slightly curved, but this box will take up almost half of the page at the top here. Then what we'll do is we'll do two eyes, and the way we're going to do that is on the left side we're going to draw kind of like an M shape, but it's almost going to be like a crown. It's going to be like an M, but the sides kind of taper inwards. Then it's going to be like an upside down heart shape. So we're going to go like this and then like that. So see, if we kept this going, that'd be like an upside down heart. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. So we'll do this crown shape, this M, like that, and then we'll do an upside down heart. Like that. Then we'll do the mouth. So we'll start way over here on the left, we'll come down and back up, and then we'll do the same for the lower part. We'll come down and up. Alrighty. The next thing we'll do is we'll draw the neck. So we'll go in the middle and we'll draw a curve like that, so that'll be his neck showing here. Then I'm going to draw a line coming from the neck over to the left, like this. Okay, and then there's going to be a line that comes down at an angle slightly. So from here we're going to go down to the left, and then we're going to go over to this side, roughly about the same position here. We're going to come around here, and we're going to go over to the right. Okay, so this will be his body, his upper body. Then we'll do this little bulge on both sides, and then we'll connect these with a curve like that. Alright, so let's go back up to the rest of his upper body. So he's wearing this like belt around his stomach, his chest area, and over his shoulder. So we'll come from this side like this. We'll come here, and then as we get down, we're gonna come and be narrower and almost to right about here. So you could just do this slow curve like that. Then inside of this, his belt, he's gonna have some like tool compartments to hold things. So we'll draw a couple lines that are evenly spaced like that. And then we'll draw, let's draw a couple, like we'll draw maybe one small line here, and then we'll do another line here and here, and then like a little circle like that. Alright, because on his belt he has some special tools that he's using. Now we'll draw the arms. So coming from this little bulge here, if you come out a little bit like that, you'll have a little bulge on that hand. And then this is going to come up and go almost to where this line separates here, goes up. So we're going to come, we're going to kind of bend this into the bottom of his head. Then we'll do the same on this side. Come up, we'll round that, and we're going to go and meet right in here. Just like that. Then you can put a couple little ruffles in his cuff. Alright, we'll put one more ruffle right here. So the next thing we'll do is we'll draw his legs. So we're gonna remember to do his hands, but we're gonna draw the legs first. So we're gonna go and draw a line down the center, and then we're gonna go over to the left with a curve, and then we're gonna go to the right with a curve, just like that. Then we will draw a short curve upwards to the left and to the right. Then we'll go all the way to this corner, and we're going to bulge out and meet up with that lower piece. We'll do the same on this side. Then he's going to have a second line in the middle here, and we're going to do a couple pockets. So we're going to have one pocket, rectangular shape at an angle this way, and the same in the opposite direction on the other side. Alright, then we're going to draw this little belt shape all the way through here, and we can create these lines that go up and down all the way through like that. Alright, now for his shoes, so we're going to draw the heel section here, so we're going to curve to the right a little bit. Then we're going to draw a line that's curved like that, and then we're going to come up, and we'll do the same on the other side. Do the heel, we'll curve this, and then we'll come like that. Then we'll put a thickness for the sole like this on both sides, and then on the left we're going to curve two curves to the right bottom, and we'll do the opposite on the other foot, the other shoe, like that. Alright, now let's go back and complete the hands. So we're going to start with the thumb. So we're going to come inside here, we're going to hook this over and up, and then we're going to come down and come in right into that corner. Then he's going to have a little band that goes across, and then we'll draw like two little curves for the fingers, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to grab some markers and start coloring my Marshmello Skin. Now if yours didn't turn out like this, it's okay. Click the link in the description below, download that, and print it out, and you can have some fun coloring him in with me. Well, that's all it takes, guys. We just finished drawing Marshmello Skin from Fortnite, and we had some fun coloring this skin in. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I do videos every weekday, and I want to see you at the next one. See you then.